Hi everyone, Tom Moffett here. Welcome to BUS 140 Business Communications. I'll be your instructor for the course. In this course, we'll be studying some of the traditional methods of business communications like letters and memos. You'll also get some practice using some of the newer tools like blogs and web conferencing. We'll work on a team project to get experience using skills that you will use in your professional work. Overall, the goal is to identify and improve on business communication skills that are important for the 21st century work environment. This course is part of the Auto Access program at Ozarks Tech, so you can access the digital content for the course through Canvas on the first day of class, and you do that automatically. When you log in, the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left column over here, especially if this is your first online class. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 times each week. You pay special attention to announcements, modules, and discussions. Well, let's look at the modules page for just a minute. At the very top is the course calendar, or course schedule. When you open the course schedule, you see the assignments are separated by modules. On the left side, the due dates for each of the assignments is in the middle column, and then the points associated with each of the assignments is on the right side. There is a due date for each assignment. For example, in the introduction discussion, the initial post you see here is due on 8/21, that's a Thursday, and then replies to classmates are due on 8/24, that's a Sunday. And 2 replies are required for each of the discussion assignments. Looking down the 1.3 credibility discussion, again, the initial post due on 8/21 and then replies due on 8/24. So please check the course schedule for any changes, because some of these dates will change based on the academic calendar, especially at midterm and at the end of the semester. There are several Connect assignments throughout the course, and I'll talk more about Connect in just a minute, but this is typically what the course schedule looks like. You'll see feedback for assignments submitted in your grades link here. You open your grades link, you'll see here, there's the assignment. Submitted on that date, due on this date, submitted here. Points available, points applied, and then when you open this link over here, you'll see any comments that I might have made. Most of the assignments have rubrics associated with them, and when a rubric is used, you'll see another icon over here to review comments on the rubric. Ozarks Tech policy requires at least one proctored event for the course. The proctored event for this class is the 4.4 proctored quiz. You see that right here. And you'll have a week to complete the proctored quiz. If you're not familiar with proctoring, scroll up and please open the proctoring requirements link and review the proctoring requirements. To access Connect assignments and quizzes, you just have to click on the link. And if this is your first time to use Connect, you might be prompted to set up your account. If you are, please use your Ozarks Tech email account to set up your account, and that will allow you to use Connect for any assignments that you have or any of your courses that might use Connect. A little further up, there's a section that says Getting Started with Connect. There's some videos in here that will explain how to get started using Connect if you need that. And then here you'll see Connect support. If you're having technical issues with Connect, you can open this link. And it has contact information here. A variety of ways to contact tech support, Connect tech support. You can email them. You can go to the website, or you can use the phone number here. I prefer the phone number. It's just easier. So that's my preference, but you have other ways to contact Connect support if you're having any technical issues. Well, please post any questions you have about the course to the Student Commons area in the discussions area. So if you go into discussions, you go all the way to the top, there's Student Commons area. Click the reply button, enter your question, and then click post. I will see that your post, and then I can reply to any questions that you might have. And your classmates can also see those questions, and they might be able to respond to your question if they know the answer, and they might be able to do that a little bit more quickly than what I can. If you have personal questions of a personal nature, like grades, then please contact me using Ozarks Tech email. My email address is moffittc@otc.edu. And again, please use your Ozarks Tech email for any messages that you might send to me. The filters are set up so that Ozarks Tech email is often the only messages that get through. So if you use some other email program, I might not see your message. Online office hours are available by request. Go back to the home page, and we use Zoom. So go all the way to the bottom of the home page, and here's the link for the BUS 140 online office hours. Just let me know that you'd like to get together using Zoom, and we'll set up a time mutually agreeable to us to where we can meet using Zoom. Well, that's enough to get us started. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.